Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by moving the file to the cloud so co-authoring works. Save to OneDrive or a SharePoint site and turn Auto Save on. This keeps changes live. Sign in with your Microsoft account on every device you'll use because permissions follow your identity. Once saved, rename to a clear, unique name, shorter than 250 characters, to avoid sync issues. Now you're ready to share the file link. Make sure to set edit permissions so collaborators can work simultaneously. You now enable co-authoring by clicking share and granting edit rights to specific people or anyone with the link. Once collaborators open the cloud file, you'll see their presence indicators and live cell updates. Make sure to remove or avoid incompatible features, legacy shared workbook, some macros, or data model elements because they block modern sharing. Use comments and it mentions to assign tasks and explain changes. This reduces simultaneous edits to the same cell. If needed, split complex features. You finish by protecting only the cells that must not change and leaving the rest editable so collaborators can work without friction. Make a habit of using version history to recover prior states if something goes wrong, and check file activity to audit changes. If a sync error appears, pause auto-save, follow Excel's conflict resolution prompts to accept or merge edits, then resume auto-save. This clears common stalls. Finally, remind users to keep Excel updated and sign in correctly to prevent repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.